In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your own bubblegum blowing pictures using elements from Canva Pro. So first, you're going to go to Canva, you're going to create a design and go down to the poster size. You can have everything shipped right to your home and printed as well right from Canva. So on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Uploads, where I already have all of my pictures in here that I just had my kids stand right in front of a wall, and I just took the pictures with my phone. We're going to bring that onto our canvas and then enlarge it. And then I want their heads to be at the very bottom, kind of like those nursery pictures that you see. So I just sized it down here, and then we're going to use my favorite background remover tool right under the Edit Image button. That background removal is super crispy. I still see all of her hair and the little wisps, and it's just perfect. Now we're going to go over to Elements, and we are going to type in bubblegum. Now you'll see there right in the middle, it's a Pro element. We're going to add that to our screen and resize it down and move it right over her mouth. Now I want her nose to be seen, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and voila! Perfect. There we go. So I went and I repeated this for all 4 of my children. And then I went and I printed these posters directly from Canva, and they showed up at my door like I think 2 or 3 days later. It was crazy fast. But the smallest size is 12 by 16. And the quality that came was very high quality. I actually hadn't ordered anything from Canva before like this. I ordered some display cards once upon a time, but I don't remember it being anything crazy. But they showed up, and look how fantastic they look. The quality is great. Seeing that I use these from pictures that I took with my phone. Let me know what you think about this project and if you'll be making your own, because I definitely want to see them. So make sure to tag me and follow along if you want to see some more color added to your feed.